So we're going to kind of use two different strokes when we hammer on this sort of thing. You know, what we did with this crease up here where we hammered directly on it and we were listening for that sort of metallic slapping sound. The high-pitched pingy is when we're trying to really iron a crease, you know, trying to get everything back on the same level playing field. When we're hammering up here, we've got way too out of round of a shape. There's no way we're going to get good surface contact, even with an undersized taper of mandrel. And so really what we're trying to do here is kind of like we're burnishing it back towards a round shape, like a blending stroke would be. You'd normally think of this, you know, on an out of round piece of tubing, maybe with a dent ball inside of it. Same deal here, we just have a big, long, tapered dent ball. And all that you're trying to do really is prepare that surface so that when you do go to roll on it, you actually have contact there, and there's a better fit. Because when you have a big high spot and a roller, a mandrel underneath, you'll get flat spots to burnish down. You can try to get a little closer to round. You'll get better contact. You won't get many flat spots in the metal.